Everyone wants to win. No one wants to fail because everyone fears to fail, which is the main reason people trying to achieve something. The inner feeling of fear of failure stops us in doing anything. Everybody has the enthusiasm to win, but the fear of failure feeling will definitely pull us back far away from winning. Because we often hear from the society that don't take risk. So we afraid to fail in exam, afraid to fail to get a good job, afraid to fail to express our feeling, afraid to fail to pick the career which is interesting to you. We are so afraid of failing that we often allow the fear to rule our career and lives. That might mean that we never put forward ourselves to trying something new. Fail fast, fail often. How losing can help you win. Book written by Ryan and John will help us in overcoming the feeling of fear on the way of thinking will definitely change, which helps us to move forward towards winning. Failure is the first step of success. Many people want to be the most successful in life. The people who are not even try to achieving something because of failure of thought. When compared to successful people, he or she definitely goes into depression because of their hopeless thoughts. Now we will explain different kinds of strategies in order to overcome these kinds of hopeless thoughts and how to become a successful person. What are the main strategies of successful people? Let's unpack our fears of failure and its impacts on our lives, along with top tips about how can we beat it and succeed. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, as there is no perfect time to start. So stop waiting for the happiness to happen. Many of us always think that is not the perfect moment to start anything. Even people think about their age considering that it is too late to start a business or anything else. As they feel older to start something, whereas young people think they need some expertise to start something. But actually, there is no perfect moment until and unless we do the action and taking the very first step in order to do something. If you don't make an effort to make it, then it never get through. So don't forget to take practical steps to make it happen. Don't get fear of failure because man learns little from success but more from failure. So don't afraid that you don't have the ability or the skills necessary for our dreams and visions to become a reality. Consider present moment as a stepping stone towards your future and start immediately. On your way, take advantage of opportunities that come your way to create a better future for you. Do things that make you happy and give fun. Doing different things which makes us happy always gives the motivation and allows us to think better for our joyful and happy life. There are many better ways like playing, learning, teaching, etc. Playing video games may be wasting of our time someone feel. But we are very thankful for the digital internet world where we can even playing games can help us to earn. So you are investing in your happiness by filling your days with the moments that bring you joy. You are making deposits in your happiness bank with fun and money. Thinking of a joyful life could bring us different types of learning and earning. You can also mix your day-to-day activities by filling with the counterpart of which does not make you happy. You can begin making the list of things you like and rank them in order of how much you can enjoy each one. So if for example you hate your work location, you can try going to the place you like after your job finished, which gives more happiness to you, so that you can maximize your happiness and counteract the things you don't like. Relinquish the fear of embarrassment. If you don't do the thing you like to do with fear of failure, which means you already failed in that as you didn't get it. So better step out of your comfort zone as nothing to worry even if you fail in that. Many people think about quantity but not quality. They always try to give the much quantity rather than in quality. Here our author has given the best example. There are two people working as a pot makers. The client asked two people to make 10 pots each. First person did all the pots before the time which don't have quality. Another person failed in doing the perfect for the first time but took time to deliver the pots with quality. So the next time, to whom the client will give the contract? Yes, exactly to the person who given with the quality. So the first time you might fail, but taking better action for the second time, you will do your best in time too. Most people think failing is not fun. Change your mindset. Most of us don't want to fail because of social pressure. We have always a fear in our minds that what would other think if you fail? If you are not failing, there will be no exercise in doing anything. Obviously, in the end, you will fail. So we have to change the mindset towards failure. If we fail, then we can do better things. So firstly, we need to know the value of failure and we should not bother about what others talking about us. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. You know, failure is often the fastest path to success. To prove that, see the life of Elon Musk. Today, we all know Elon Musk as the billionaire and successful entrepreneur, but he wouldn't be the Elon Musk we know today without failures he had in his initial stage with SpaceX. After 3 failed launches continuously, Elon Musk opened the door for an incredible success. SpaceX succeeded in launching the Falcon 1 in 2008. It was the first private liquid fuel rocket to reach Earth orbit. Failures enable us to identify what works and what doesn't work, which will help us to drive into successful path of our dream destination. Don't afraid to come out of your comfort zone. There is nothing bad in trying new things. We always choose things that are in our circle and don't want to think which are out of this circle even we have interest on it. For example, if you are working as a teacher, that doesn't mean we should not learn new things. So if we have an interest in anything, don't stop ourselves from trying. This is the main thing for a satisfactory life. Don't afraid to change the path of your journey. Making a different path means not at all failure. Choosing one thing and changing your opinion later is not bad at all. Thinking about failure and making no action is definitely a bad thought. So move forward and accept failure, then our life will become a fruitful and joyful life. Now we revise the important points of this video. Successful people tend to spend less time planning and more time acting. Most of the cases, failure is the first step of success. Everyone wants to lead a successful life, but without accepting failure, we can't be successful. Stop waiting for the perfect moment as there is no perfect time to start. Don't get fear of failure because man learns little from success but more from failure. Do things that make you happy and give fun. Don't afraid to come out of your comfort zone and don't afraid to change the path of your journey.